6:36 right now, and a local school district needs your help to take students to school. Del Valle ISD Transportation Department says it has job openings right now for bus drivers. KXAN Sophia Beausoleil is live for us from Del Valle this morning. Hi.
Good morning, Sally. Well, many of you are getting ready to take the kids to school in the next 2 weeks, and the school districts are doing what they can to prepare to receive your kids, including here in Del Valle, where they are in need of more bus drivers. Now, the district says that they are fully staffed, but they just want to have extra people because the district continues to grow, along with the fact that there are employees who are going to get sick or go on vacation. So they say that you do not need to have prior experience. They will provide all the training, which includes a written and driving test, and as well as you will receive your commercial's driver's license. Now, you can make $13.85 an hour with benefits and a retirement plan, but the district says most overall they will focus on safety, and when you come in here, if you do get a job, they will prepare you.
Safety is our top priority, safety and getting the kids to and from school in a safe and timely manner. We have certified trainers that train each and every one of our drivers to drive in a safe manner.
Now, there are about 130 employees here at the Transportation Department. That includes staff, mechanics, and the bus drivers themselves. And actually, those bus drivers will be reporting here in about a week to do their test runs to practice those routes so they can pick up your kiddos. And we will put more information on our website, KXAN.com, later on this morning. Reporting live in Del Valle, Sophia Beausoleil, KXAN News.
Okay, Sophia, thank you for that.